Stephanie. Today explore our stunning ribbon collection. First, we have Bee of Spring with buzzing bee and blooming flowers, creating a delightful mood. Next, our Morandi Color features soothing blues and pink, perfect for calm and relaxing spring decorations. Next is the Pinky Spring collection, adding a touch of cuteness with light pink hue and flower design, bringing life to any projects. Our Bright Color of Spring collections showcase vibrant, glamorous color, capturing the essence of season's flourish. For pop style look, the Bright Color of Simple design ribbon feature flowers and word themes, adding brightness to your daily decorations. The Spring Words theme flowers and bike design combine spring flower with charming bike image, perfect for cool, laid-back days. Finally, check out the ideas of the spring ribbons could do. If you like our videos, please like and subscribe us. Bye!